Whew. Welcome back to me, guys. Hi, guys. Welcome back to me. Okay. Ano tayo today? um, wait lang kasi nag-empty ako ng laundry. Lagay ko muna sa dryer. Lagay. Wait lang. Ang hirap mag 100. Wait lang. Okay. Ala. Nahulog kayo, guys. Sorry. Gulo ang aking laundry area. Okay, guys. So, today is Thursday. Pero wala akong pasok kasi pupunta ako ng conference. Magbabiyahe kami today papuntang Washington, D.C. Mga ano lang siya, guys. 5 hours away from sa house. And then, but before kami didiretso, kailangan namin i-drop off si Papi sa boarding house. And first time namin itong gagawin and first time niya rin. So, lahat kami may anxiety. Separation anxiety. So, meron kaming nakuhang anxiety meds para sa kanya in case na maging anxious siya doon sa boarding house. Meron siya nito. And then, kasi, di ba, na ano na siya, may glaucoma na siya, so blind na siya. Meron siyang eye drops para paano sa pressure kasi yung glaucoma, masakit daw yung pressure sa mata. So, this eye drops mag-help sa pressure. So, mag-get ready muna ako, guys, kasi si Habi natulog muna. Mamaya ko pa yan siya pupukawin. Anong Tagalog ng pupukawin, guys? Wake up. Mamaya ko siya i-wake up. Ay, ano sa Tagalog ang pupukawin, guys? Pukawin. Pukawin? Ha? Mamaya ko na siya pamatahin. Patulugin ko muna siya ng mahaba para kasi siya yung aking driver. But before anything else, guys, kailangan kong i-refill ang aking maintenance para kasi whole weekend kami doon. So, i-refill ko ang aking maintenance para 1, 2, 3, 4. Good for 1 week. Pero 4 days lang kami doon. Okay, let's go. Diba? Pero mostly nito, guys, mga supplements. 1, 2, 3. Tatlo lang yung aking prescribed na medication talaga from the doctor. And then yung aking birth control. So, ang aking vitamins. Okay. And then, aking Losartan. Losartan! And then, sabi ng doc, hindi namin kasi alam kung why meron akong high blood pressure. Sabi niya, baka daw sa aking anxiety. So, binigyan niya ako ng anxiety, 2 anxiety meds. Pero low dose lang siya. So, yan. And then, eto guys, biotin. Good for hair, nails, and skin. Yan. Yan lang. And then, what's next? Ito pa, another anxiety meds. Kailangan ko ito para yung aking blood pressure hindi maging skyrocket. And then, kasi grabe yung seasonal allergies ko, guys. Kailangan ko talagang uminom ng allergy pill every day. So, ito yun siya. Ubus na. Mag-open tayo ng bago. 1, 2, 3. Yan. Okay. And then, i-separate ko lang ang aking birth control. Yan, ready na yan siya. Yun na muna. Okay guys, so ngayon, hindi ko alam kung gaano kalamig sa Washington DC today. So, mag-aano lang ako, mag-sweats. Itong, medyo makapal siya. And then, ano ba? Dito tayo sa aking sweats. Okay. Ano bang susuotin ko? Alright guys, we are on our way sa drop-off ni Puppy Loves. My puppy. First time namin siyang i-drop off sa boarding house. A doggy boarding house. So, we'll see what happens. Hopefully, he'll be okay. He'll survive. Alright guys. See you sa drop-off ni Puppy. Let's see.
There's a lot of pee in there.
Right guys, na-drop off na natin si Logan sa pet lodge. And then, meron silang camera sa kanyang room. So, pwede namin siya ma-monitor, pwede namin siya makita, which is very nice. So, hopefully, okay lang siya. Hindi kami sure kung okay lang na iwan namin siya, pero we had to leave him para kasi hindi pet friendly yung hotel na nakuha ng work namin, so hindi namin siya pwedeng masama. So, but anyway, update ko kayo guys pag malapit na kami sa Washington.
On a cloudy day.
First stop guys, first stop natin dito. Food court. Malamig guys, oh my god, pachinelas lang ako. Cloudy, masyadong cloudy, oh my god. First stop, the tribe.
The tribe. Hate them. Well, look at that. Look how straight that is. It's crazy. But could you imagine? Why would you go?
Are we getting into a tunnel?
Allegheny Mountain.
Do not cross center line, man. Do not cross center line. Whoa. Second stop.
You gonna get any snacks?
Maybe I will. I'm getting hungry. Restroom. Mine. The goodies. Got the goodies. Wow,
Is it hot?
it's got bone.
It's got a bone.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I mean it's hot. Very good.
Is it good?
Yeah, very good. Let's try their boom boom sauce.
That's like driving a cruises, baby.
Yeah. It's yellow. Boom boom. Boom boom. Alright, let's try this. We had a barbecue sauce.
Do you need to use the magnet thing?
No. Let's try this. know what this is. It's like cheesy, a little bit cheesy. It's not. Oh, it's got a little kick. It's got a little spicy in it.
After kick.
Just a tiny. Want to try it?
Whenever you're done there filming.
We made it. Good morning, guys. Hi. Welcome back to me. Get ready tayo, guys. Langan-langan ko, guys. Hapit malate. Kaya ba akong outfit? Kaya bang goro? Asa the bit? That's not it. Is that it? Okay. That's the big question.
That's a lot of marble, dude.
Yeah, it's pretty neat.
Let's walk over there and touch it.
Oh yeah, you can actually.
It's pretty impressive.
We're in the Jefferson Building.
This is the real one right here.
Yeah. Okay guys, we're gonna go there. Punta tayo dyan. Sakay tayo ng Ferris wheel.
Oh, look, they got the e-bikes here.
Oh
too.
yes.
I could use one right now.
Busy masyado itong town na ito, guys. Maraming ganap. Which is good. Kasi hindi siya boring na town. Diba? Pero mahal. Mahal siya, guys. So, pag pupunta kayo dito sa Washington, D.C., kailangan marami kayong baon or madami yung card limit. Credit card limit. Para swipe lang kayo, guys, kasi masakit siya sa bulsa. Pero at least ma-experience nyo yung city town ba? City town. City life. Tayo. The question is, paano tayo makakapunta dyan? How do we get to that Ferris wheel web?
It's right there.
O, diba? Ang ganda, guys. Wow! Maraming tao, maraming ganap. And guys, bili na tayo ng ticket. Magkano ba yung ticket?
Look! Buttercup!
Oh, okay.
Okay, I went off.
No,
I'm hitting the button.
it's moving na, guys. Okay na.
I'm gonna close my eyes.
It's moving.
You're so funny. Let's look down.
Oh my god! I think these are statues. Mura silang tinuod. Alam mo rin tinuod. Parang totoo sila, guys, pero mga statue lang. Nice. It's nice. So this is ano, guys, inside the hotel. Meron siyang parang maliit na little town, kumbaga. Here, I think we can check this out.
What's that?
I'm not sure what's in here. Let's check it. There, guys. See, parang siyang little town inside the hotel. Diba? Very nice. Parang lang. That's nice. Meron silang, ano ito? Fountain or water pool? Parang wishing well? No, it's not a wishing well.
Look at the butterflies.
I know.